Hello guys, I hope you guys are all doing good. Welcome back to Boss K's FX Forex Group. We really appreciate you guys to have you back once again to our YouTube channel, and we would like to thank you all who just subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you are new here and not yet subscribed to our channel, please just kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification post so that you not miss out our new content when we upload our next video. In today's video guys, we are going to talk about mitigation order block or mitigation blocks, and we are going to be talking about failed order block as well. And here guys, on our YouTube channel, we talk about order block strategies and also with smart money concept. So without wasting your time guys, let's start with our drawing. So let's say the market was going down guys, creating something like this: drop, bears, drop. That's the first thing which you want to see in the market. Once the price have given you something like this, you identify it as a market breaker. That's your market breaker. You want to see price coming back to the order block zone area, which is this one. And then once price comes back to this order block, you want to see price going down. But let's say the price will not go down and break the previous higher low, but they will create a new higher low here and then finally take out the previous low high. This is what we call a failed order block. Why? Because you were expecting the dealer to come and pick the orders at this zone area and shift the market going down, but they failed to give you something like that. But you have something what we call a rally base rally, meaning the price is now coming back to this previous higher low here. That's where the base area is at. So here at this base area guys, we usually call it as a flip zone, where the price will come, let's say they'll come back with compression, something like this. Then once the price comes to something like this, goes up. So this is how you take your failed order block. The price will come back to test that zone and then shift the market going up. So we also have this type again guys, where the price will go up, create rally, bears, rally. What you want to see is price coming back to the base area with compression, something like this. Then price will go down, and then after going to the order block zone area, you want to see price going up. But let's say the price will fail to break the previous low high, then they will create something like this: drop, bears, drop. This is another type of failed order block as well. As you can see, here is where our order block zone area is at, and then where the market breaker here, meaning the price will come back to the order block zone area as a flippy, and then they'll come and pick the orders at this zone. Once they pick the orders guys, they'll shift the market going down. So this is how you take your failed order blocks as well. We call it as a mitigation order. So let's give you the example of what we are trying to say. So guys, as you can see here guys, the market was going up, creating those new higher lows. As you can see, this was our new higher low. That's where the base area is at. You can see guys, that's where the base area is at. So once price come back to this zone area guys, you want to see price picking the orders and shift the market going up. But in this scenario, guys, the price didn't respect this order block. They just took it out and then created a drop, base drop, and also we had this base area, meaning that was the base area which was taking out that previous higher low, creating a new lower low. That's where the base area is at. So this is how you take these mitigation blocks, meaning this is where you wanted to buy, but the price have given you this base area as a as an order block as well. If that order block failed to go up, they will give you a flippy zone. So this is how you take a re-entry when you see the market didn't respect your order block zone area. And as you can see, guys, here, guys, is where the order block, the buy order block was at. And as you can see, the price have rejected as the first time. And you can see, guys, while the price was rejecting, they have created a drop, base drop, meaning that buy zone area have turned to a base area. As you can see, the price just did come to this zone. You can see, guys, and also we had this drop, base drop, but here is more what we consider. Why? Because this was the buy zone area, but the price have created a drop, base drop, meaning the price will come back to that order block zone area and pick the orders and shift the market going down. As you can see as well, they've created a rally, base rally, meaning that rally, base rally was also our order block zone area. As you can see here, guys, we expected the price to go up here, guys. As you can see, we expected the price to go up, but the price didn't do that. The price continued dropping. But once the price continued dropping, remember that zone area will now become your flip. That's why the price just came back to test that zone. Why? Because that's where the sorry, I'm not good at pronouncing that word, but the failed order block zone area, that's where the price just came to take the orders and shift the market going down. As you can see, they continued going down. Also, we had this order block right here, as you can see, and the price didn't respect it as well. As you can see, they've created a drop, base drop, meaning now the price have to come back to this order block zone area, as you can see here, to test it as a flipping. This is what we call a mitigation order block. Sorry if I didn't pronounce it well, I'm not good at pronouncing that word. So as you can see, they have also created a drop, base drop. So that's how you take these failed order blocks. You just have to understand that if price takes you out going down, you just have to wait at the same zone area, guys, at the same zone area. As you can see here, we had a nice bearish engulfing candlestick. That's where the price just came. You can see that's where they just came to test and shift the market going down. Also, they came again. There was a base area somewhere here, tested the zone. Why? Because that's where the last lower high was at, and that's where the price just came to pick the orders and continue going down. So once they failed to respect this order block, you know they'll come and test that zone as a flippy zone. You can see, guys, they even come twice, giving you first leg, second leg going down, and they even took out the zone, the previous lower low, creating a new lower low, and also went up, breaking the previous higher low, continue going up. Here was no good retaking the entries, but you can see, guys, this was a buy order block here, and it now became our flippy zone. The price just came back to respect this order block right here, because that's where the buy order block was at, but the price failed to respect that zone. That's why the market just came back to test that zone as a flippy zone area, as you can see, then continued going up. You can see they're still going up. Let's give you the last example right here, as you can see, guys. So right here, guys, we had this order block zone area right here. So this is where we look for our buys, and the price didn't respect it. But as you can see, while the price was breaking this structure market, they've also created a drop, best drop, meaning at this zone area, guys, at that zone area. Let me do something like this. At that zone area, guys, that's where the orders are being held, and you can see that's where they just came and shifted the market going down. And we talked about this one. You see, that's how these dealers works through these mitigation orders. So you just have to be smart and follow the market structure. But if they do not respect your order block zone area and break it, something like this, you know that the dealer will come back and test that area as a flippy zone area. Why? Because that's where the demand was, but the demand have changed to be a supply zone, so you call it a flip zone area. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Share this video with your family and friends. Also, please do not forget